Engines, those remarkable mechanical devices that power various vehicles and machines, have become integral to our modern world. With their widespread use, several myths and misconceptions have arisen surrounding engines and their functioning. Today, we explore 10 common myths about engines, uncovering the actual reality behind their mechanics, efficiency, and environmental impact. Myth 1. Engines only run on gasoline. One prevailing myth suggests that engines can only run on gasoline. In reality, there are various types of engines, including diesel, electric, and alternative fuel engines, each with unique advantages and applications. Myth 2. Engines are only found in cars. The belief that engines are exclusively found in cars overlooks their diverse use in trucks, boats, airplanes, generators, and industrial machinery, among other applications. Myth 3. Engines are inherently inefficient. The misconception that engines are inherently inefficient disregards the advancements in engine technology and design, resulting in improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Myth 4. Engines always waste heat. The myth that engines always waste heat neglects the use of technologies like turbochargers and heat recovery systems, which can harness and utilize waste heat to improve efficiency. Myth 5. Engines can run on water alone. The common belief that engines can run on water alone as fuel is not supported by the laws of physics. While water can be used to produce hydrogen for fuel cells, engines require other energy sources to function. Myth 6. Engines are noisy and polluting. The misconception that engines are noisy and highly polluting overlooks the implementation of noise reduction technologies and the development of cleaner burning engines. Myth 7. Engines consume all the air in a closed space. The myth that engines consume all the air in a closed space disregards the fact that engines operate in a continuous cycle, drawing air in and expelling exhaust gases out. Myth 8. Engines don't need maintenance. The belief that engines don't require maintenance leads to neglecting regular servicing, which is essential for ensuring their longevity and optimal performance. Myth 9. Engines can run indefinitely without rest. The common belief that engines can run indefinitely without rest ignores the need for periodic shutdowns and maintenance to prevent mechanical wear and fatigue. Myth 10. Engines are always harmful to the environment. The myth that engines are always harmful to the environment disregards advancements in emission control systems and the adoption of cleaner fuels, reducing their environmental impact. As we debunk these 10 myths about engines, we gain a better understanding of their diversity, efficiency, and impact on our modern world. Engines are crucial to transportation, industry, and various applications, and their evolution continues to lead us toward more sustainable and cleaner technologies. By embracing the actual reality of engines, we can make informed decisions about vehicle choices, fuel options, and maintenance practices to contribute to a greener and more efficient future. As we strive for environmental stewardship and technological progress, engines will play a pivotal role in shaping a sustainable and resilient world for generations to come.